Have you ever wondered how you can create 4 to 5 figures per month working from home in just a few hours per day? Let me tell you. What I do is affiliate marketing, and what that means is I promote other companies' products, and anytime somebody purchases through that link, the company pays me a commission. I wouldn't recommend companies that pay less than 30% commission. Right now, I promote for 5 different companies. But you could also have digital products or courses or mentorship. Keep in mind that every product that you promote is an income stream. Now, this is not a new business model. It's been around since the 1980s. 86% of companies use affiliate marketing to bring in over 40% of their revenue. Let that sink in. So how did I learn? I took a $7 course called the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge, which I like to refer to as the affiliate class. And this course taught me everything that I'm doing. If you are looking for a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this so that you can create multiple 4 and 5 figures per month from home, go ahead and give me a follow and find all the information on the link on this page.